Ambulance.
When someone is hurt or feeling sick, the ambulance rushes through the streets. Wee woo! Wee woo! Inside, doctors and nurses help people right away. They're real road heroes. And don't worry, if you ever see one, just step aside and wave. They're too busy to race you.
City bus.
Here comes the big city bus. It picks up people heading to school, work, or the park. The driver makes sure everyone gets a safe, comfy ride. And remember, no jumping seats or pretending to drive. The bus drivers got this.
Police car.
The police car zooms by with flashing lights, keeping the city safe and calm. Police officers help people and make sure everyone follows the rules. If you ever see one, give them a thumbs up, but maybe not when they're chasing a bad guy.
Passenger train.
Choo-choo! All aboard! The train carries passengers across cities and mountains. You can sit by the window and watch the world fly by. Whoosh! Just don't stick your sandwich on the window. Trains don't like crumbs.
Container truck.
This giant truck carries huge boxes filled with food, toys, and clothes. It travels long highways delivering important stuff everywhere. Strong and steady, like a superhero with wheels. Just imagine, your new toy might have ridden in one of these.
Jets.
Look up high. That's a jet zooming across the sky at super speed. It takes people all around the world, maybe even to Grandma's house or Disneyland. The only bad thing? You can't roll the window down for fresh air up there.
Hummer limousine.
Whoa, look at that long, shiny limo. It's like a stretched snake with wheels. Celebrities and brides love riding in it for parties or special events. Just make sure there's room to park it, or you might need a parking lot all to yourself.
Fire truck ladder.
Here comes the big red fire truck. Whoosh! Firefighters use its tall ladder to rescue people and put out fires. They're brave, strong, and super cool. And hey, that water hose? Definitely not for washing your car at home.
Monorail.
Gliding high above the city, the monorail gives everyone a bird's eye view. It's quiet, fast, and looks like it's floating in the sky. If you wave from below, maybe it'll wave back with its headlights.
Tanker truck.
Wow, look at that shiny red Coca-Cola truck. It carries refreshing drinks to stores and restaurants everywhere. And during the holidays, it's like Santa traded his sleigh for wheels. But remember, this truck carries soda, not cookies.
Streetcar.
Ding ding! Here comes the streetcar rolling through the city. It's part train, part bus, and totally awesome. Eco-friendly and fun to ride. And no, you can't race it with your skateboard.
Taxi.
Need a ride fast? Just call a taxi. It zips through traffic and takes people wherever they need to go. Taxi drivers know every shortcut and sometimes every red light too. Don't forget to say, "Thanks, driver," when you hop out.